NBA prize picks for Thursday, May 9th. I'm Sniper from DFS Army. We went back to back yesterday, get our second straight win with the MLB video. Reese Olson goes under, Martin Perez goes over. Nice little afternoon cash. If you want a free month of DFS Army props, free week, I've done that every day. I don't know why I do that in the promo. It's a free week at DFS Army. Use the link below. Use the code free props. You get more picks and plays. This play was in Discord. This play was in Discord. You get the idea. Coach Will dropped a lot in there. There is another option if you want 2 free months. Links down below. It's for the promo codes on the sites. Prizepicks Underdog Sleeper. Deposit at least $25. Use the code Sniper. You get 100% deposit match up to that $100. 2 free months of the DFS Army props package. I got 2 more free plays coming at you today. We're going to go back to NBA. I know some people are going to ask for MLB. We're at that weird crossover time. There's only so much left in the NBA season, so we're going to knock out some more of those videos. But there'll be plenty of MLB plays for people who are in the DFS Army Discord. Reminder to use your promo. So there'll be MLB picks if you want them, just a couple extra clicks to get there. All right, that being said, let's hit the intro and let's find 2 more winners today. Try and run this streak to 6-0. All right, guys, give me just 1 second. We're going to tee up the DFS Army Proptimizer, where you get all the plays here on the YouTube videos. Let me just scroll back up, actually. Play number 1 on the day. This tool has got prize pick line, sportsbook odds, and our projection model, and is updated in real time, as you can see. We're going to go Luke Cornett, less than 1.5 steals plus blocks. The odds are too good for me to ignore here. It's minus 142 on Caesars, minus 140 over on BetMGM. And our projection model has it at 1.27. The last 5, 10, 15 tool is great, but in this case, I have to point out it would be a little bit disingenuous for me to use it because you got Kristaps Porzingis is out. That means Horford's going to be probably going to start, and Cornett's just going to get some more minutes here. So he did get there last game against Cleveland, and then just it's hard to really gauge because his minutes are going to go, probably to like 15 or 20, which is actually about where he was in the regular season. Just he was expected to get less run here in the playoffs, but now with Porzingis out, he's going to get some more. So that part is a little bit hard to gauge in terms of what do I compare it against for last 5, 10, 15. Luckily, I got really sharp bookmakers telling me, hey, there's value here on the on the under here. Minus 142, minus 140 of the sports books is a good number to target on prize picks versus their implied odds. And then our projection model, all AI driven, minutes are in there, etc., has it at 1.27. So it checks all the boxes checks the boxes in terms of odds and projection. Form, I'm willing to let ride here. It's not like he goes over every time he gets 20 minutes. There's plenty of these games back towards the end of the season where he was getting decent run and not hitting the number. So that all those things being said here, let's head on over to Prize Picks. So I refresh that monitor and hopefully stall for just that extra couple seconds. Oh, I'm on the MLB tab. Sorry again to those who want the MLB plays. I shouldn't have teased you there with having that up. I'm gonna go Luke Cornett. Less. Wow, I did the whole thing and clicked on the wrong button. More plays are more fun. I get it. I say it every day. I have to play it less thans, but it's where the value is. Luke Cornett less than 1.5 blocks plus steals is play number 1. Back to the Proptimizer that you get access to for 2 free months when you make one of those deposits. Play number 2. You may have noticed in the thumbnail we had Donovan Mitchell up there, and we're going to go back to the well here. It's Donovan Mitchell, more than 1.5 steals plus blocks. Projection model, this far right number, 1.86. Sportsbooks, minus 139 at Caesars, minus 135 at BetMGM. The average is obviously to minus 137, and the tool also gives you, based on the sportsbook odds, what's the projection say? Well, the sportsbook is projecting it at 1.86. So I got, we got to look at the last 5, 10, 15 tool as well. In the last 10 games, 7-3. Let's find the playoff start here. In the playoffs, looks like 5-3 so far in the playoffs. I can go back further, 67% in the last 15, but it's 5-3 in the playoffs, 7-10 in his last 10. Odds, projection, form, checks all the boxes for me. Head on over to Prizepicks one more time. We'll go Donovan Mitchell. Don't go anywhere. I'm going to do an MLB sneak peek for those of you who watch through. Appreciate you. I know some people want an MLB play anyway, so I'm going to give one. Maybe I should have said it in the beginning, but I got to give you guys a bonus for sticking around. Those are the two plays. Let's head on back to the Proptimizer really quick. I did see one MLB play I did really like on the board, so let's give that away here. It was Tobias Myers, more than 3.5 strikeouts, 4.25 projection. These two games are preseason, so he's 2-1 this season, average odds of -136. So that would be the MLB play that I like if you want to go there. But let's put a bow on the NBA stuff. Make sure, click the like button, get all the promos I mentioned, free weeks, 2 free months options, or just use your code Sniper20 and sign up. I want to see you in the Discord. Plenty of winning going on there. We showed those slips earlier, but for now, we got Luke Cornett, less than 1.5 blocks plus steals, and Donovan Mitchell, more than 1.5 blocks plus steals. Lock that in. That is our play for today. Hopefully you guys enjoy the content. If you did not already, I don't know why, but hit that like button. Let's try and run it to 6-0. For now, though, here's that daily reminder that whether or not you are a DFS Army member, you probably should be. But either way, good luck in those contests, and I'll see you next time.